Hi guys, Yolandi here from Vent Company, your ventilation specialist. And today we're going to review changing from invasive ventilation to non-invasive ventilation on the Elisa ICU Ventilator from Löwenstein Medical. So if you want to change from invasive ventilation to non-invasive ventilation, we will do as follows. We will click on the ventilation submenu. Here you will see all our modes displayed. You will press the Stop Ventilation button. Stop ventilation and confirm. You will see this screen asking you again, are you sure you want to stop ventilation? And we will press OK. If you do not press OK, ventilation will continue as you see here. So let's press Stop Ventilation again. And we will press OK. Now we will go back to our standby screen. If you want to change to non-invasive ventilation, you can press the interface button at the top of the standby screen and change to a mask, or you can go to same patients and press mask. If you press new patient, you will start with new patient data and your trends will be lost as well for this patient. So let's go with mask and confirm. Now you will see at start ventilation it says bi-level NIV for non-invasive ventilation. We'll start ventilation. And also you'll see bi-level NIV at the top.